Alright guys, you've clicked on the video, you've seen the title, you know what we're doing today. I'm just going to take the Corrado on a quick drive. I don't actually remember, but when I bought it, I only taxed it for 6 months, and believe it or not, it's been 6 months. It's flown like that. I've owned this car for 6 months now already. Every day seems like it's raining. Today's not raining, so I thought this would be a decent day to just go for a little drive, but I'm not going to tax it. I'm not going to spend another £150 to tax it when I'm probably going to drive it once a month or something like that. The tax is going to run out at the end of October. I'll leave it until we get some sunshine next year. That's what we're doing today. One last drive for the vid. So I think we should just get straight on with it. I haven't even started it since the last time I was out in it, which was the German versus Jap meet. It will be 3 weeks ago on Sunday. So I'm going to quickly check my oil, check the coolant, make sure everything's okay. Don't slide off. I'm going to need 2 hands to do this. I've just quickly checked that the oil and the coolant is topped up before going on this little blast. If you guys are new to the channel and new to this car and me, let me just quickly give you a brief rundown of everything that this car has. Or if you've just forgotten, I'll just give you a quick refresher. I bought this car 6 months ago, like I said. The only thing that I know at the time was on it was it had the Schrick, I think they're the Schrick 262 or 263 cams. It's got upgraded cams and then got a custom exhaust onto it, just with the one back box, which we will hear very soon. And it's also got a Ram Air Pro Ram filter on it, which sounds amazing. Let's just go ahead and get this started up. Now the question is, do we put the camera at the front of the car or the rear of the car? You want to hear exhaust, don't you? Exhaust is the best bit. We'll put it at the rear. Right, you just have to excuse the rabbit hutch. That needs to get out of here, but that'll do. Right, let's get this car started up and see if it actually starts. No problems at all. That's what we like. So I'm going to go to the post office and I'll catch up with you guys once we're on the drive, and I'll have the GoPro on and we'll just enjoy the drive. If you're excited for this, drop a like on the video and we'll get going. Of course, it started pissing it down, but hopefully it's going to clear. I mean, the sky doesn't look too cloudy. There's a bit of blue up there. I don't know how much you can see. I hope that you can see enough. I think if it's not raining, should we have that on tilt? I don't think it's raining anymore. We'll leave it shut for a bit, and if the sun comes out, we'll have it open. But yeah, let's go. Right, I don't know which way to go. I don't want to go straight on the motorway to get home, but I think we'll take a left. See where it takes us. I'm going to open that window slightly, just so you can hear the exhaust a bit better. Oh no, I'm not. The rain is pouring through. Never mind. I bought that. Oh, fuck's sake. And this is where we need some Forza Horizon music playing, but I can't because of copyright reasons. Yeah, when I bought the car, this rip in the steering wheel wasn't there, but for some reason, the steering wheel was really sticky. If you've been driving it for about 10 minutes, your hands would start to get really sticky, and eventually it just wore away. So I will be getting a new steering wheel. Fucking hell, what was that? Either a squirrel just decided to jump. That sounded like a big dent. I really hope it wasn't a squirrel. If this is the road I'm thinking of, this is a good road. This is where I tried to drift the TT, but it didn't want to drift. I'm not gonna attempt that with this car. We are though gonna send it down that road down there. That is a nice long road. Perfect on the inside. It's not perfect anywhere really. There's a lot of knocking and rattling that will one day fall out because that's a little bit broken, as you can see. I need to get a short shifter because alright, watch this from third to fourth. Look how big the throw is. I hope you saw that. I'll do it back, going back into third. That's how long the throw is, so I need to get a short shifter for that. But right now I'm gonna send it. For this car, and the only reason why I haven't done anything that I said I was going to do is because the Passat died and everything costs money. So obviously I had to get the Audi, which meant that the money I was going to spend on this car has gone on the Audi. Not a lot I can do. I'm not going to complain because, you know, I've got a daily again as well as this that I can just have fun on. I don't need to do anything to this, you know. This car always scares the shit out of me, even though it's almost standard. It's running 208 or 209 brake horsepower, I think, on the dyno, and everything kicks in after 4,000 RPM. That's when it really goes for it. But But we're going onto the motorway now, so I will show you guys. We'll do a little pull onto the motorway and try not to get flashed. One last look around the car. It's now on cool down mode, where it just blasts the fans. Finishing this up on the GoPro makes a difference. Thank you for watching, guys. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video very soon.